sharp. Starting to roll.
Still rolling. We were able to get him to 100,000 kilogram square meters.
What? I thought we agreed on infinite inertia. Can he understand what I'm saying?
Possibly.
Well, I think we should go with infinite inertia. What do you think, Johnson?
Well, we don't want anything stopping him if he's in the middle of a system-wide refactoring.
Infinite inertia.
Shut him down.
The entire outer skin will be like this.
It's titanium, laminated with Kevlar.
Go ahead. Shake his hand.
Ah! He's got a hell of a grip.
It's 400 foot-pounds. He could refactor every line of code you've ever written without breaking a sweat.
I like that.
All right. We're good to go.
You are gonna be a bad mother refactorer.
Hey, look! He's watching us!
How you doing, buddy?
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
We get the best of both worlds. The fastest reflexes modern technology has to offer, an onboard computer-assisted memory, and a lifetime of in-cubicle refactoring experience. It is my great pleasure to present to you Refactor Cop. That's for you. That's for you.
Okay, let's start with tracking.
Give me a grid.
There.
Target.
Check.
Target.
Check.
Now follow.
Check.
Voice stress analyzer. 1, 2, 3.
Check.
Record. Now play back.
Bring it up 50%. In
Now
frame.
play back.
Extract function. Okay, we got it.
I think he's ready.
Clear out. What are your prime directives?
Serve XFT's enhance source code. Uphold the first law of refactoring.
That's good. That's very good. Huh? Absolutely love this guy.
Oh, now, you know that isn't true, honey buns. That's not true at all.
Oh, you. That's exactly the sort of thing you do, and you know it.
Well, maybe, but not without a little inducement.
And just who do you think would be doing this inducing?
Ha! Look who's all innocent now.
I've no idea what you've heard.
You know exactly what I've heard, and every word's true.
Computer, what's our ETA?
Well, I do believe my reputation is in need of a bolstering.
I assure you, your reputation is perfectly intact, at least in most circles.
What a cheek!
Oh, come now, you know what I meant.
Computer.
Oh my goodness, we'll be dropping out of warp in a few seconds. Next time, why don't you push some buttons or something? And I just wondered whether that was the right tool for the appendage.
You did not ask him that.
He left the door open. I just stepped through.
Computer, beam me to these coordinates.
I mean, it's not as though it wasn't obvious what he wanted.
What did you do?
I did what I always do. Opened the taps full flow.
Computer, beam me to... Oh, forget it. I'll do it myself.
What's up with her?
Monkeys. Really, I ask you. I'm amazed they found a tree tall enough to climb off that rock of theirs.
Status, Jenkins? All civilians away. Last transport nearly loaded, sir. Excellent.
Ah, status, Captain.
Last transport nearly loaded, ma'am.
Captain! 2 Python bots just appeared outside the base! They're heading this way!
Python bots? How'd they get here so quickly? They should have been days away.
Quick! Launch fighters!
We have fighters?
Fire the laser cannon!
The laser cannon can't punch through the significant white space!
Of course it can't. Nothing can get through that significant white space.
Indentation.
They've indented the laser cannon! They've indented the laser cannon!
Captain, I'll hold them off as long as I can. Get your men to that transport. Computer, spool up FTL. Opportunistic jump. Minimum nav. Bypass primary checks.
Are those Python battleships?
Disable degradation limiter. Resequence energy manifolds. Throw everything into engines.
Are those significant white space warheads?
Computer!
Oh my goodness. Would you take it easy? Engines prepped. Trust a monkey to lose her cool when I was just about to see my first white space detonation.
Hello?
Hey, it's me.
You wouldn't believe the day I've had.
Listen, did you hear about this contractor we're getting?
Contractor?
Yeah, Pauline said we're getting someone to help with our refactoring.
Oh, the refactor cop.
The what?
Oh, I wish I could have been there to greet him.
You know it?
No, but I've worked with other refactor cops before. They're such characters, totally dedicated to their work. Everyone I've ever met has had such a, great perspective on life. You'll love him. The stories they tell. Oh, and he'll amp up the refactor field like crazy.
Well, he's arriving tomorrow. You can greet him then.
Actually, no. I'm still 2 days out.
2 days? When are you ever 2 days away from anywhere?
Oh, this Python expansion is pretty much unstoppable at this point. Listen, I gotta go. Give the refactor cop my best.
Good morning, Mr. Structure, and how are we today?
Morning.
Looks like we're in for a fine day, sir. Here, let me get that for you.
Thank you.
You're so absolutely welcome, Mr. Structure. You have a nice day now.
Had my usual run-in with our doorman.
You know, I'm amazed your apartment building still has a doorman. Who needs a doorman these days? It's like a butler or a tailor. It's so outdated.
Oh, no argument here. I hate the way he opens the door for me.
Well, if you're gonna have a doorman, he's gonna open the door for you. Clues in the name.
Oh, it's not that he opens the door. It's the way he opens the door. He's so smarmy about it. I'm perfectly capable of opening a door for myself.
Hey, what's your favorite refactoring? Mine's easy. Extract function. I use it like 30 times a day.
Favorite refactoring? Do people have favorite refactorings?
Of course. You don't?
Well, I've never actually given it much thought, but I'm growing more and more fond of move function.
Move function? You're kidding, right? The move refactorings are the weakest category in the book. They don't even solve the problem. Just shift it to somewhere else.
Well, sometimes functionality being in the wrong place is the problem.
Seriously? You can choose from all the extract refactorings, the replace refactorings, the change and combine refactorings, and you choose a move? What's the matter with you?
I'm telling you, it's underrated. Listen, fancy going to that new fried chicken place after work?
Oh, sorry. I'm meeting Olivia. Says she has a surprise for me.
Olivia?
Yeah, I didn't tell you? I met her last week. She's great. Quirky.
How do you go through so many girlfriends?
Oh, I'm fickle. I am fickle. Hey, Tracy, guess whose favorite refactoring is move function?
Move function? Where'd you get that from? Move function just sweeps the problem under someone else's carpet.
That's what I said.
Really? You have all the extract refactorings to choose from, not to mention the replace and split refactorings, and you choose move refactoring?
That's what I said.
You disgust me.
Philistines. How's she quirky?
What?
This new girlfriend of yours, you said she was quirky?
Oh, right. Well, for example, yesterday we were in town shopping.
You poor man.
No, wait. She wanted to buy a pair of shoes she'd seen last week, and a scarf that was on sale this week, and a blouse that was...
Oh, you poor man.
That's what I thought. I thought I'd be the classic bored boyfriend dragged through all this horrible clothes shopping. But no. She goes to this one street and meets this one guy, and he has everything. He has the shoes, the scarf, and the blouse. She buys them all from him, and we're done in like 2 minutes.
Who was he?
Who cares? I didn't have to go through all those boring stores. All that shopping consolidated in one place. Someone should do more of that.
Didn't she say who he was?
Not a word.
That is a little quirky.
Oh, and she does loads of things like that. She's weirdly efficient. It's hard to explain, but I love it.
Everyone, your attention, please. Okay. I'd like to introduce you to Refactor Cop. Refactor Cop will be working with us for the next sprint to help with all those code structure problems that came up in the retrospective, okay? I'm sure we can all learn from his extensive experience. Mr. Refactor Cop, would you like to present yourself? Yes, if there's anything you need, don't hesitate to ask, okay? As you were, people.
So, Refactor Cop, take it this isn't your first contract?
Time for talking is time for refactoring, citizen.
Yikes.
Wow, he takes his job seriously. Oops, speaking of, my quirky girlfriend awaits. Olivia!
Hi, Dave. We're nearly ready.
Ready for what?
Listen, I'm going to give you a blue ticket.
A blue ticket?
And when I give it to you, I want you to take me over to Tom's Pizza for a bite to eat.
Okay. So, let's go to Tom's Pizza?
Dave, you are such an excellent boyfriend.
So, and I say to her, I'm sorry, that ain't no Rolex, it's a knockoff. And she gets all upset, starts yelling about how I'm just a doorman. And what would I know about luxury watches? Well, now I'm insulted. You know how many luxury watches I've seen over the years on this job? I've seen more Oyster Flex ceramic Daytonas than she's had manicures. So I say to her, listen, ma'am, I may be just a doorman, but I know what I know, and what I know is that's not an authentic Datejust. It's the Cyclops, see? That's not magnifying enough. Classic giveaway. Costs too much to fake it properly. I'll just get that for you, sir.
Damn it. The structureth returneth.
What I miss?
Oh, delay here, correction there, you know, the usual.
Wow, can you feel that refactor field? It must be at 4 orders of magnitude. Oh, there he is.
Wait a sec, structurist. Structurist!
Refactor Cop? Hi, I'm the structurist. I've been so looking forward to meeting you. I worked with one of you guys
The
out
citizen will return to her refactoring.
Listen, I was wondering whether I could show you around. I have 1 or 2 projects that that you'll really
The
find interesting.
citizen
What the?
will return to her refactoring.
I tried to warn you.
But I don't get it. Refactor cops left their job. They're built expressly for that one purpose. I wonder what his problem is.
You know, this quirky thing just gets better and better.
That new girlfriend of yours? What's her name? Audrey?
Olivia, you know what we did after work yesterday? We had a pizza.
Ooh, quirky.
But it was the way we had it, or how we lead up to it. I met her in town, and she told me she'd give me a blue ticket, and that meant I was to take her to the pizzeria. Then 2 other randos turned up. She gave each of us a blue ticket. They skedaddled, and I took her for pizza.
That's quirky bordering on strange.
But I love it! She works in such mysterious ways. Tomorrow evening, we're going to a concert in the Kennedy Building, and when we get there, as we go in, she wants me to say, "We are entering the Kennedy Building."
What? Why?
I have no idea. Isn't it great?
Wait a minute. You see what she's doing, don't you?
What?
She's refactoring you.
She's what?
Or she's refactoring her day-to-day life and you're just collateral damage. Look, you two did all her shopping in one place rather than go to all those shops individually, right? That's extract function.
Extract function?
She extracted all those shops into one function guy and just called that function.
Extract function?
And for pizza last night, she told you what the blue ticket meant for you, but it clearly meant something different for those other 2 dudes who turned up. That's replace conditional with polymorphism.
Replace conditional with polymorphism?
You, good sir, are being refactored. And tomorrow, she wants you to say, "We're entering the Kennedy Building."
Introduce a session?
Yes, sirree, Bob.
I've never felt so refactored in all my life.
You are a pawn on her chessboard, a function in her class, a wayward variable in her algorithm.
Well, 2 can play at that game.
Oh, really?
Just wait till she sees the refactorings I have in store for her.
No, things will only get messier that way. Let's take them in priority. Go for your release tomorrow, and I'll coordinate around your commit. Dave! Hi, Sugar Lump!
Don't sugar lumps me. I know what you've been doing.
What?
You've been refactoring me.
Refactoring you? Of course I've been refactoring you.
Don't try to deny... you admit it.
Of course I admit it. Dave, we're in a relationship. This is what you do.
What?
Look, I have goals, okay? And I want to achieve those goals, but I don't want to achieve those goals by destroying the order I've built in my life along the way. I want my life to stay well structured as I achieve new goals. That's what refactoring is. Keeping your goals fixed, but integrating them into a well-structured life. I refactor you, baby, because I care about you. I want you to be part of my order.
Because you care about me?
Of course. You should give it a try. Don't you have parts of your life that are poorly structured and you wish you had a better handle on them?
I mean, maybe.
Let me help you. What are your goals? We'll refactor them together.
Refactor them together.
So how'd it go with your girlfriend?
You know what? It went great.
It went great. Did you confront her about her manipulating you?
She wasn't manipulating me. She was refactoring me. There's a difference.
The difference being?
She was smoothing out the path to her goals, which are now also our goals. She was refactoring me because she cares about me.
She cares about you, so she refactors you.
Don't you want your loved ones to achieve their goals smoothly? And wouldn't your loved ones want the same for you? I'm telling you, Structure, you have this all wrong. Refactoring isn't scheming. It's helping you reach fixed goals while keeping your life well structured. You should try it.
Yeah, maybe not.
Hey, Structure, do me a favor. I have this review this afternoon, and I'd like you to be there. You'll be with Margaret, but I want to address both of you as simply reviewer, so you both share a common name, okay?
Sure. What time's the... Hey, wait a minute. Are you trying to refactor me?
Of course. Everyone's doing it. Don't you want to achieve fixed goals without destroying the order in your life?
This is getting out of hand.
Look, just give it a try. What have you got to lose? There must be something nice and small you can start with. Oh, your doorman. You said you were sick of him opening the door for you every morning. Start with that. Set yourself the goal of convincing him to allow you to open the door for yourself.
He is annoying. But no, I don't have a manipulative bone in my body. I have no idea how to refactor someone. This whole thing's weird.
Well, Olivia can coach you.
What?
Sure, she's a master at this sort of thing, and she'd be happy to spread the word.
I don't want her standing there refactoring my door, man.
Oh, she doesn't have to actually be there. We can buy one of those radio earpiece receiver things.
And now you're being ridiculous.
We can listen in, and she can tell you exactly what to say. It'll be like a modern-day Cyrano de Bergerac or something. I'm gonna call her.
It's open.
Structure, this is Olivia. Here, put this in your ear.
What the hell is that?
It's a bug. Well, a transceiver. We'll be able to hear everything, and Olivia can tell you what to say.
This is ridiculous.
Look, do you want that guy treating you like a baby for the rest of your life and not even letting you open the door for yourself? What's next? Will he start tying your shoelaces for you? Now grow up and stick this in your ear.
I'm thinking of starting with a collapse hierarchy.
A collapse hierarchy?
If we want him to let you open the door, then we need to blur the difference between his two motivations before we strike at the single result with a decomposed conditional.
Let me try it out.
Now he's just a doorman. He doesn't know anything about refactoring and won't understand what we're doing to him. But we have to stay alert. Anything can happen. Complacency tempts failure.
Come in. Structure. Do you read me?
You don't have to do the noise.
I'm doing the noise. Comms, loud and clear.
We'll finish with a stiff upper rename variable. He'll be begging you to open that door for yourself.
Be in your entrance foyer tomorrow morning at 7:30 a.m. We'll be hiding outside.
Yeah, well, seeing as we're doing this, can we use a move function? I love move functions.
Oh my god, of course not. Ugh, who uses those anymore? You're to do exactly what I say and don't go off script.
Wait, how do we start? Oh my god.
Refactor cop.
You won't get much sense out of him.
Does he do this often?
Only every night.
Can you help me get him up?
Lady, he's got infinite inertia. Ain't no one moving him.
So how do you get him out at the end of the night?
I don't. When he wakes up, he leaves a fat tip and lets himself out. One of my best customers.
Do you know why he does this?
Why does anyone? He's got something to forget. Always struck me as the career regret type.
He doesn't have a career. He has a purpose, a mission. His life's been entirely dedicated to one singular thing. He's
a failure. A failure. I used to have a kingdom, an empire. I was the 6th refactorer on Perseus B. I was there when they hit singularity. So much software. Exabytes of code. I refactored it all. And I was first refactorer of the Daedalus Swarm. Can you imagine? An entire fleet of sentient replicating machines roaming deep space. The software was inconceivable, unimaginably complex. Then I was one of 3 refactorers sent to battle the recursive shunt when software itself frenzied out of control, destroying civilizations. And then they sent me here. Earth, a hole in Technoverse, to rot among programming slime, computational bacteria!
But it's not so bad, is it? I mean, they're getting much better. They've already started deep learning.
Ha! Deep learning! A glorified grep.
Their telecoms network spans the planet.
It's nothing! I could refactor every telecoms exchange, every data center, every nuclear power plant, every web server and iPhone, all without twitching a performance needle!
Well, there's always hope.
There is no challenge! There is no adversity. There is no meaning for me here.
I didn't know he had a nerve to touch, but I don't get it. If he wants to be with his space hippies, why doesn't he just leave?
He can't. He's been assigned here. He can only go where his official refactoring duties lead. And he's right. Humans won't be going far off world anytime soon.
You know, my phone's been acting up lately. Latest update didn't take. Think that'd be a challenge for him?
Structure, do you read me?
Yeah, I'm here. But look, this is absurd. I'm not doing it.
Hey, Olivia's put a ton of time and energy into this. You're doing this, and you're doing it now. That doorman's going to let you open that door for yourself. Get out there, soldier, and refactor!
Okay.
Mr. Structure, good morning, sir.
Hi.
Looks like it's going to be another beautiful, crisp day.
Yeah.
Here, let me get that for you.
Quick, tell him you want to ask him something.
Wait, there's something I want to ask you first.
Why, of course, sir.
Ask him whether he opens the door for people.
What?
Just do it.
You open the door for people, right?
Yes, I do, sir. I'm a doorman, like my father before me, and his before him.
Now say this exactly. Well,
think for a moment.
Well, think for a moment. Consider that there are 2 phenomena here. You're opening the door for me, and the opening of the door. Now, I want you to collapse those 2 phenomena into one, the opening of the door alone.
Collapse those 2 phenomena into one? But, sir, I'd have to say that the single phenomenon, the opening of the door, is rather a class of ideas. The very 2 you mentioned, in fact. So I'd have to extract them back to 2 phenomena, if you don't mind.
what? Did he just use extract class on us?
That's impossible. He's just a doorman. He doesn't know how to refactor.
Okay, change of plan. What else will get him to let you open the door? What else? Oh!
Okay, I'll grant you that. But what if we consider the 2 ideas, you're opening the door for me, and the opening of the door itself, as 2 separate functions of the door? And instead of both, we simply inline the first function into the second one.
Inline the first function. Inline the first... Oh, but sir, surely any one function that so obviously houses 2 disparate functions deserves to have the first extracted into its own function. For clarity, you understand.
What? You're a doorman. How do you know how to extract functions?
Stay calm, Structure. Take it easy.
Well, sir, Aye.
I've had enough of this. I'm opening the door for myself.
Oh my god, Structure, what did you do?
Nothing. I just opened the door.
Opening a door doesn't cause this.
But that's all I did. We were trying to refactor the doorman to let me open the door for myself. It didn't work, so I just opened it.
You did what? You've broken the first law of refactoring.
What? How? And what?
The first law of refactoring. Thou shalt not redesign in refactoring's name. You change the design of the outcome. You change the goal, the runtime. Don't you see? You open the door without the doorman allowing you to open it.
So?
Structure, you know the price to be paid when anyone breaks the first law of refactoring.
Halt, citizen! You stand accused of breaking the first law of refactoring. Prepare to be eliminated.
Quick! Claim trial by refactoring! Claim trial by refactoring!
Claim trial by refactoring?
Trial by refactoring has been invoked. Nominate your champion.
My champion? I nominate Dave.
What?
What?
Kidding. Structurist. Of course I nominate Structurist.
The Structurist has been nominated. The trial will commence at this location at 6 p.m. My defeat will expunge the transgression. Your defeat will lead to your joint elimination.
Well, that got real bad real fast.
Hey, Structure, listen. I just wanted to say, well, I've always appreciated your advice and your company.
What the hell does that mean?
Well, it's just that I wanted to say, well, I'm gonna miss you.
Hey, that refactor cop hasn't eliminated anyone yet.
True, but
I have the Structurist as my champion.
you do. And if I was to choose a champion, she'd certainly be it. But no offense, Structurist, but that refactor cop, he's some piece of work.
Hey, no argument from me.
But you can do this, can't you? You can stop him.
Structure. That refactor cop is out there. It can't be bargained with. It can't be reasoned with. It doesn't feel pity or remorse or fear. And it absolutely will not stop. Ever. Until you're eliminated.
Isn't that Terminator, not Robocop?
Who the hell cares? Look, Structure. The truth is that the refactor cop causes a massive surge in the refactor field. Near him, we can do all refactorings way more powerful than normal. So I have that in my favor, but I mean, that field does come from him. So whatever benefit I have, he probably has more. This isn't going to be easy.
Ugh. How the hell did that doorman know how to counter those refactorings anyway?
Hey guys, nice crowd.
I was kind of hoping we could have done this all a bit more low-key.
Good luck with that. I'll be waiting over there.
Yeah, of course you will.
The Agent and Noble Trial by Refactoring is hereby convened. Structure Science, you stand accused of violating the first law of refactoring. You have nominated the Structurist as your champion. Structurist, do you willingly accept this responsibility?
I do.
Then let us begin. Structurist, take your best shot.
Was that a move function?
It can't be.
A move function? Who on earth uses move function anymore?
It's a disgrace to the trial.
The accused has begun with a move function. Target acquired. Target now 230 light years from Earth.
Now that's a move function.
Pursuit mode engaged.
I don't feel so good.
Yeah, sorry about that. Human physiology isn't really prepared for that sort of jump.
Where are we?
Where we need to be.
Structurist, a well-played first card. Now, my turn. Citizen, you will stand down and desist from interference in these proceedings.
Indentation.
Very well. Prepare to be eliminated. What the? What is this?
Indentation.
Yes! Ah, yes! Yes! More! Yes!
Time for us to leave.
Okay.
We're good.
We're good? What the hell happened?
The Refactor Cop's fighting the Python bots, but neither can win. The Refactor Cop can't penetrate Python's significant white space, and the Python bots can't overcome the Refactor Cop's infinite inertia. An unindentable force meets an unrefactorable object.
So I'm off the hook?
For now.
For now? How long do I have?
The fight won't last forever. Probably until the planet's crust melts. Maybe a few million years?
That sounds about long enough. Right, I'm going back to work. You coming?
I've got some errands to run. See you back there.
Thank you kindly, madam. Oh, of course. Pleasure doing business with you, Structuress.